The next subject, oh, I love the next subject. It's about boats. I love boats. I do come from another island, much smaller than Australia, of course, but oh, I just grew up since I was about that little on boats, yes. And this one here is a beautiful boat. It's called a Hatteras, and it's a classic. Let's have a look. 1 second, I just put this back on here. We just checked that windscreen wiper works. Oh, hi, yes, of course, we are here on this beautiful boat, this Hatteras 58. Now, this is a classic. It was built in 1976, and it's 58 foot. It's called a tri-cabin because it's got 3 cabins, 1 at the front and 2 at the back. And it's also got 3 showers and 3 separate toilets. Of course, this is a bit tired, it needs a bit of work. And this is why it's always better if few people get together in a syndicate, form a company and buy a boat like this, and then you buy this boat for about $50,000. It's probably worth about $200,000 when it's finished, and spend another 50, I suppose, on it. But at the end of the day, if 5 people or 10 people get together and share a boat like this, it's a lot easier to handle it. And this is what we're saying: a syndicate is always better. Just get your friends together, and you can buy something like this, fix it up. You get value for money. You can still make money out of boats, which is a lot of people say you can't make money out of boats. You can make money if you buy carefully. Now, this one here, it's got 2 large Detroit engines, V12s. Great engines. They only got about 1,900 hours in one engine and 1,500 in the other one, and they're just really good engines. They're very, very powerful. They're supercharged. And of course, a lot of the times you're only cruising with about 8 knots, so only using one engine at about 1,300 RPM. So you basically burn next to nothing. And of course, you can go up and down the coast with a boat that size. You can have 3 families just living in there for a month or more if you want. And instead of hiring that houseboat, you can share a boat like this. Now, have a look. As you walk down, you have the lounge. Now the lounge here, we just need some new panels on the side, and we need new carpet, and of course some refurbishing with the lounges, or you can actually put your own lounges. When they sell these boats, when they were new, you could actually just pick up your own furniture. Incredible, isn't it? And then of course, as you go down further, there's another set of steps. You go down to the kitchen and to the dining onto the other side. And then you have the front bedroom with a double bunk and of course its own toilet and shower. And then to the back of the boat, you have the 2 showers and toilets and the 2 bedrooms. The main bedroom, which we've done quite a bit of work to it, but it needs a little bit more. The bed has to be fixed, but look how it could be made. It's amazing, isn't it? It's great. It looks fantastic. Of course, not this boat, not yet, but we can get to it. We can get to it. And the lounge at the back, it's huge, it's massive. It can be enclosed for the winter as well. And basically you have a huge lounge at the back, you have a big one inside as well. And then you got the pilot house here with a nice bench seat over here. And of course you have the 4th level, which is upstairs, and that's the fly bridge. Again, up there's plenty of room there for entertaining as well. And there's room also to put solar panels, because the idea is to put solar panels on this boat. And this way you can have your LED lights, and you can have all that power for free. You don't really need to start the generator, only if it's an emergency. So yeah, it's a good idea to have a share on a boat like this. For example, for $5,000, you can have 30 days of use every year of this boat. And probably if you spend another $3,000 to $5,000 with a total of $10,000, you can have a boat that you can live on, and you can take your family, your friends, and 10, 12 people very comfortably. So, syndicate, the way to go. This one here is the wardrobe of the master bedroom. You can see here that we've done some of the work, replaced some of the panels. This is really nice paneling here. We've done that all around here, but it will still need either painting or more panels to be replaced. And of course, the bed put here in the middle. But again, have another look at the actual bedroom as it was before it was stripped out. In a couple of the areas there were a few little problems, like from water coming into it. That's biggest problem on boats and timber is fresh water, not so much the salt water. The salt water preserves the timber, but fresh water destroys everything. So basically, this one here was leaking a little bit of water, and now what we've done, we cleared the timber up. It's very, very thick timber here, and we replace it with a special material that we use, which is even better than timber when we actually finish with it. And the rest of the bedroom here, you can see it's ready for basically for painting, and just the bed to be put back in. This is now the separate dining room, and it's right next to the kitchen. The kitchen is very good sized kitchen. And the timber work, it's quite nice, but if you want to change, you can change that as well. But I think that at the moment it's very functionable and it can work quite well. But here it's a nice area where you can have your meals, or of course take them outside into the big lounge and have them outside, which is even better. So remember, having stairs on a boat like this, or buying it into a more modern boat, a newer boat, it's a better way than just buying it outright. You know, the average use of a boat in Australia is 23 days per year. So imagine how busy you are with your family, with your friends, with your work, and you have a boat like this that is, you know, worth $200,000, $300,000, and you use it 23 days a year. So it's better to have a sail, 1 or 2 or 3 sails, so you can use it 1 or 2, 3 months a year, whatever, how many sails you want, and that's the best way to do it. It's the most comfortable for your pocket and also for your time.